Hey guys, this is the second repair now for this weekend. I've got another one here that we'll do after this one. But this one's a Cobra 29 LTD Classic, and the one after this one we'll try to get fixed at Cobra 29 NWLTD Classic. Might watch. But we'll do this one here anyways. Anyways, I got it powered up, so at the moment we have no sound. Squelch doesn't matter if squelch is on or off. Doesn't matter if gain is doing anything. We still got nothing. It doesn't even matter what channel you're on. There's no sound out of this radio whatsoever. So that's what this video is going to be about. We're going to see if we can fix the Cobra 29 LTD Classic with a no sound issue. Anybody want to take a wager on possibly a bad speaker? Let's find out. Okay boys, I got my meter in continuity mode. I just had the volume turned up and I can hear sound from inside the radio, so that's not a good sign. But so I got my meter in continuity, so beeps. So normally a speaker is 8 ohms, and such a low ohmage, the meter should beep going across the terminals of the speaker. So I disconnected one of the wires, so I'm just going to be, so I'll put one on, doesn't matter if it's positive or negative on this, one there, and one there. So there's our issue right away. We have a bad speaker in this radio. Speaker's blown. It's actually common for this type of radio. This one, it's actually a couple of times I've seen this in the Cobra 29. And let's see where this one was made. Wouldn't you know it? Of course it was. It was made in China. So the quality of it is not the greatest. It was built in February 14th. And it doesn't even say what year. Date of manufacture. February 14th. 2020, 2019, 2023. There's no way to tell other than February 14th. So the date code means absolutely nothing. But let's see if I got a spare speaker to replace this one with. Okay, so I got another speaker, 8 ohm, 2-watt speaker. So I'm going to be replacing this one with this one. But I'm just going to show you what I mean by that continuity test. So of course, the bad speaker, leads go across it, you get no tone. Put it across this one, and you do. The coil in the speaker is good, and the coil in this speaker is bad. So we're just going to swap speakers, and we'll continue on with our repair. See, and another thing, that's normally these should be, or normally stranded copper wire here. They're using solid wire, solid copper. Not a good choice, because that breaks. Those wires break easy. So anyway, take this off. Okay guys, got the speaker replaced, and we have sound again. Let's check power output. 3.5 watts. Modulation. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Audio. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. And we've got lots of modulation. Let's see if she's on frequency. Turn on our test radio. There we go. Anyway, on to the next one. Okay boys, radio number 2. It's the Cobra 29 NWLTD Classic, and this one here is also deaf, no sound whatsoever. Are we down to 2 speakers blown? Let me guess. This thing was also made in China? Yeah, look at that. Made in China. Date code. June 11th. June 11th of what year? Anyway. Let's pop the cover off this one and see if we got another dead speaker. I bet we do. The internals of this Cobra 29 LTD is pretty much the same as the LTD Classic for the most part. Except this one has this little inverter. That's for running the lights, the backlighting on this one. But other than this, the rest of the radio's the same. So we have the speaker here. And we're going to do a continuity test on this one, and I'm willing to bet you, be $10. The speaker here is also bad. And is it the same shitty speaker as the last one? This one is a Raha or Ashkachi or something. Anyway, you know them. And this one is pretty much the same thing. So I'm gonna bet the speaker here is also blown. And what do you know? I done continuity test with this one. And this one is also dead in the water. No continuity at all. No continuity. The speaker is open, same as the other one. So, let's see if I got a spare speaker to throw on this one. The boys replace the speaker in it. There we go. 2 Cobra 29's and blow them with speakers blown. Alright. She's ready for action once again. And as you can see, she is lighting up behind. Hey folks. Hope you enjoyed the videos. All the best. 7-3.